The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike represents a bold evolution of a legendary touring machine, now reimagined with 3 wheels for unmatched comfort, control, and long-distance prowess. Combining Honda's decades of engineering excellence with modern styling and cutting-edge technology, the new Goldwing Trike caters to riders who seek the thrill of open-road touring with added stability and confidence. It's more than a motorcycle, it's a luxurious tourer with the heart of a performance machine, designed for riders who want to explore without compromise. At the core of the 2026 Goldwing Trike is the same powerful 1833 cubic centimeters horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine found in the standard Goldwing, refined for smooth, torque-rich performance across the rev range. This engine delivers exceptional throttle response and highway cruising power, making the Trike feel responsive whether climbing steep inclines or overtaking on long stretches of road. The addition of a third wheel doesn't take away from the classic Goldwing power delivery, instead, it enhances it with a sense of grounded confidence, especially during cornering or rough road conditions. One of the major highlights of the 2026 Goldwing Trike is its updated DCT, dual-clutch transmission, offering seamless automatic gear shifts with the option of manual override. This 7-speed transmission ensures that even long rides through varying terrain and traffic conditions are handled with minimal rider fatigue. Combined with Honda's smooth power band, the DCT system adds a level of convenience that touring riders will deeply appreciate. The Trike's frame has been carefully redesigned to handle the additional weight and dynamics of a 3-wheel setup. Suspension upgrades include an independent rear suspension system designed specifically for Trike applications, delivering a plush, stable ride even over uneven pavement. Up front, Honda's unique double wishbone front suspension continues to provide precise steering and shock absorption, making the Goldwing Trike a dream to handle whether cruising highways or navigating city streets. Comfort remains central to the Goldwing experience, and the 2026 Trike elevates this tradition. The rider and passenger enjoy spacious, ergonomic seating with advanced cushioning for long-distance endurance. Integrated heating for both seats and grips ensures comfort in colder climates, while adjustable backrests and foot positions allow for a more customized touring experience. The larger rear trunk and additional storage compartments built into the Trike's bodywork provide ample space for luggage, helmets, and gear, making it ideal for long road trips or weekend getaways. Technology is another area where the 2026 Goldwing Trike truly shines. The full-color 7-inch TFT display integrates navigation, audio, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto support. Voice commands, handlebar controls, and even touch functionality make interacting with the system intuitive and distraction-free. The high-performance audio system has been enhanced with more speakers strategically placed throughout the cockpit to deliver crystal-clear sound, even at highway speeds. Riders also benefit from a suite of safety features, including traction control, cruise control, hill start assist, and Honda's signature smart key system for keyless ignition and luggage access. The addition of ABS and electronic brake force distribution ensures optimal braking in all conditions. The Trike format inherently offers improved stability during sudden stops and tight maneuvers, giving both new and experienced riders more control and peace of mind. Visually, the 2026 Goldwing Trike commands attention with its bold, aerodynamic lines, sculpted fairings, and LED lighting signature. Multiple color options including deep metallic reds, premium blacks, and sleek silvers allow riders to personalize their look, while chrome accents and premium finishes enhance the overall luxury aesthetic. The Trike also features LED fog lamps, turn signals integrated into the mirrors, and daytime running lights for increased visibility. Maintenance and durability have been key considerations in the design, with Honda offering a refined final drive system and durable body panels that are easy to clean and maintain. Routine servicing is straightforward, and the brand's reputation for long-term reliability ensures that the Goldwing Trike is not only a thrill to ride but a wise investment for the years to come. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike isn't just a motorcycle with an extra wheel, it's a redefinition of grand touring freedom. Built for riders who want the ultimate blend of power, luxury, and confidence, it stands as a benchmark in the world of 3-wheel touring machines. Whether you're cruising solo or riding 2-up across the country, the Goldwing Trike delivers a level of performance, comfort, and class that few others can match. It's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying every mile of the journey.